This will be our last Wednesday here in Spain. Wednesday market. Tomorrow we're gonna fly. Look what I found. So, this is how I pack my luggage. I didn't show you. So, these are the... I'll show you later what is inside. At the moment, I'm gonna show you how I pack it like that. So, here inside here. So, there's a stuff in there. I'll show you later. When I come here. One is my cab under seat. So, what I have in here. Some clothes. There. Show you later when I arrive. And this is my cabin luggage. I'm gonna wait it first. 29.5. You're good. Oh my god, 31. Over 1 kilo. It's okay, 8.5. My luggage is over 1 kilo, so I have to remove 1 kilo. This is 500 grams to 500 grams. Okay? It's 30 kilo now. Malaga Airport to Istanbul, 4 hours flight. Bus and lasagna. Can I open it? Lasagna. This one, I don't know what is it. For you, we try some lasagna. Lasagna. Yes, me? Lasagna? Yes. Brown pretzel pizza. Pizza. Yeah, I will have. At Istanbul. Oh. It's not very nice landing, huh? Oh, yeah, a bit cooler. Oh my god. My clothes is not thick. It's hard. Oh my god. Oh my god. Lamig. Very cold. It's cold. This is our plane. So there's a transfer, bus transfer. No more space there. Let's go to that side. So this is our plane, no? Elevator. You see, we don't have time to explore Istanbul, because it's a very huge. We have only 3 hours layover. We need to find out where our gate is. Like last time, we are late.
We need to get a move on.
What do you think I'm doing? It's not my fault, no? They announced our boarding gate is D9 from going here. Our flight is 2:15 a.m. So you see the Istanbul, very nice here, very big. Currently time is 12:50. D9. Beef moussaka, panna cotta, salad, chicken salad. There's a rice. can feel the heat already. So here now, waiting for our luggage. Heavy, no? A lot of people waiting. Street food sa tapat ng Grab. Last time wala ito eh. Oh. Nagkaroon na siya ng fast food here. Ayun. So that's the area. Filipino street food. Here in Naiya. Sabi ang daming nagpapag-grab. Here, very busy ang Grab dito sa airport. Look. Dami eh. Busy. Lahat na lang, ano, ang tawag doon?
Crazy American.
Traffic. Even mahal ang gasolina.
Peach point.
One eternity later.
Dito na sa Makati Palace. Parang walang si Duncan. So, ayan. Here. 8th floor. So, pagpasok, once you enter, as you can see, to the left is the toilet and there's a bathtub here. Haggard pa me. So, let's close the door. Ayan. Merong siyang cabinet. Meron siyang mini fridge. Perfect. Kasi may ilalagay ako dyan. So, may TV. Ayan. Yung bed, ayan. Nice size. How much is this per night? For 2 nights, how much?
50, 60 euros.
50. Oh my God. Look at downstairs there. Oh, there's no noise. This like no veranda. It's already mirror. Let's see tomorrow the view here. How nice the view. Makati Palace. We're on the 8th floor. Oh. 50 euro something per night. Okay. So, okay. Where is it exactly? So, this is my luggage with 30 kilo capacity. So, I have a cheese in here. From Spain. So, I need to put them in the fridge. So what I did, I have what you call this? A freezer bag, a cooler bag, cool bag. So this is where I put the cheese. And it's still cold.
Is it?
Look, touch it.
Well, I'm not looking in front of your camera, do I?
Oh, man.
So these are the contents of my cool bag. A lot of still cold. Perfect. Because what we did, we freeze the cheese so that it's like a nice block at the same time. So you can see what I have bought. That's it. A lot of common, you see. It's funny rich. So, and more cheese here. This is a very nice sausage, but you don't need to cook it. Just cut it. More cheese from Spain. So I have a camembert, sobrasada. Oh, it is queso de cabra, tierna. I also have here the cheese from this cheese, brie. I have two. Oh, it fits. Perfect. It fits. It will stay there for 2 nights. At oh, there's a McDonald's now there. It's not there last year. Look at the old cans. Old-time burger, you're so huge. Bon appetit. And me, it's a palabok. Miss Filipino food. Missing Filipino food here at filling station.